You're right everybody, I'm doing a really quick video. So my last video, which I showed people my unboxing and a quick review on my exercise bike that I bought, the SP.IC14. So I've had a lot of people ask me because I didn't actually ride the bike in my video, and people want to know how noisy it is and you know, like how sturdy it is. So it's a cheap bike. It was the cheapest bike on Fitness Superstore website. So you get what you pay for. It feels sturdy enough for me. I mean, I'm 10 stone, 5'4", so it's perfect for me. For what I need to do, it's perfect for me. I do not need to spend more on that. It is noisy. Luckily I'm in, like, I've got really thick carpet, and when I'm on it I put my headphones in anyway. Also, this is our converted garage, so I haven't got to worry about if it is noisy. You know, I've not got anybody underneath me, I've not got anybody above me. I'm literally in here on my own, so the noise isn't too bad, too big a deal. And by the time I've put my headphones in and I've got music on or YouTube or whatever I'm listening to, I don't actually hear anything. So I'm going to hop on it now and give it a little spin and just let you know, hear it for yourselves. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to turn the resistance up and go for it. Okay, so I want to answer a few of your questions now. Have you had any trouble with resistance? I can't turn my resistance up. So, out of breath. So what I have noticed with the resistance is I feel like you've got to turn it quite a bit to actually get anywhere with it. Let me just show you. If I turn it all the way to the lightest it goes, all the way to the heaviest, it takes quite a bit. So from what I notice, when I'm going from light to medium, I am turning it what I feel is a lot more than I did when I was trying out the Peloton bike. But like I said, you get what you pay for. Somebody's saying this is why I hate the English accent. What's the need for that? Why? Don't listen to it then. Don't even watch it. So yeah, a lot of you just wanted to hear it, see it in use. You think £300 is quite dear. £300 is not dear for a bike. It's a lot cheaper than other bikes, and you get what you pay for. Like, if you want to pay less than £300, your bike is going to be really unstable and not very nice to ride, and you're just not really going to want to use it. You'll end up just throwing your coats on it. So I've had a few people now, really not related, but I look like Kim Wexler from Better Call Saul. Thank you. Would I recommend it for spin classes? Yeah, it's fine. Whatever you want to use it for, like, it's fine. You've just got to understand that it's cheap. It's a little bit noisy. It feels stable enough, absolutely stable enough, but like I said, I'm 10 stone and I'm 5 foot. I'm 5'4", 5'5". So you gotta understand, I'm quite small, so I'm not bearing a lot of weight on it. I wouldn't suggest anybody over 6 foot, because I just feel like it might go a bit more off balance then. As I do find the handlebars, I've done them up exactly how you should. They're as tight as they should. They do still have a little bit of movement, which is hard to show. And I do notice when I'm cycling, I'm pushing, there is a bit of play in there. It's not going to stop me from what I want to achieve on the bike. you know, it does its job. My heart rate goes up, my legs ache, I get such a sweat on that it does the job. So I'm not going to complain for, you know, under 300 quid for a bike. So I hope this has answered a few more of your questions. Any more, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Absolutely no need to tell me that you don't like my accent or any other rude remark, because at the end of the day, it's irrelevant. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please hit like if it's been helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you later.